welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Marshayla, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. Today I'm giving you everyday glamour. I do this look before I go to work, and it literally takes me like 20 minutes, literally 20 minutes to do this look. It's perfect for your everyday natural get up. I want to still look cute, all that. And I used to be that girl who used to take 2 hours to do her makeup, but I'm happy things have changed for me. I'm happy because, yeah, I literally used to take all day. But I love doing my makeup. It's kind of therapeutic for me, and it like uplifts my mood. It puts me in a better mood. I know I'm gonna have a good day because I'm looking good. Period. If you want to see how I got this look right here, keep on watching. Alright guys, before we get into the look, I want to give a special shout out to Andrea Raynette and Tan Dotson. Thank you so much for supporting me, watching my videos, commenting, liking, subscribing. I really appreciate y'all. They are consistently showing me support, and so I had to give them a shout out on here. Thank you so much. If you want to get your chance to be shouted out on my channel, just leave a comment down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and you can be in the next video. All right, let's get into it. So I've been playing with a lot of techniques since I started my new job, and I do my makeup every day. I feel like doing my makeup every day, it makes me feel good about myself. It makes me want to talk to people because I look pretty. I've been using a lot of techniques, and this is a technique that I've been using that I feel like lasts the longest and looks the best after I'm out for work. I've just been using powder to set my face. I feel like this makes the makeup last longer and go on more flawlessly. So my new job is cool. I'm so different from anything. Well, it's not too different. I did something like this in the past, but it's cool or whatever. But yeah, doing my makeup, it makes me feel good. I don't know if anybody else is like that. Let me know in the comments below if doing your makeup make you feel good, because it just does something. So now I'm going in with this foundation stick by Juvia's Place, and this in the shade Mortania, if it focus. I bought this on accident. I was gonna use this as like foundation for my skin, but it's kind of too light, so I just use it as highlighter instead. So since I want that super bright under eye like I go in with my lighter concealer on top of where I laid the foundation. And this is the Laura Mercier concealer in the shade 4W. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the color Honey to set. When I use a brush to set, I feel like it really doesn't last like I want it to. Foundation in the color Warm Almond 6.5. Alright, now we got the foundation on and applied. I'm going in with the Morphe Bake Set Setting Power in the color Translucent Rich to set the foundation. And I'm using I'm using a big fluffy brush to set the foundation. I really love this powder because it's like, too much. Anyways, I love this powder because it sets, like it's nearly the exact same color as my skin. And I feel like what really saves me time in the morning is the cream contour. I don't do any cream contour. I just do like bronzer on top of the foundation. And it looks nice, beautiful, natural. A bronzer that I have been sleeping on is the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker in Coconutty. I have been sleeping on her. I have not been using her lately. I don't know why, because she looks really good and natural. She really makes me look snatched naturally. I might have to apply a little more than usual because she's like damn near the same color as my skin, but she looks good. Like, look at that. I look sun-kissed from within. I was asleep on the bronzer, not gonna lie, but I'm happy I'm not asleep no more because she's great for that natural, soft glam every day. I guess I'm so used to like a pigmented bronzer, like the Bobbi Brown bronzer or the Morphe Trailblazer. I'm so used to those, like you don't even have to use a lot, but I don't know why Supreme is barking. But this is like you might have to use a little more, but it's giving. So I seen this trick on TikTok where they like set their eyebrows with eyelash glue to like make them stick and stay in place. So I'm gonna do that. And I usually don't fill my brows in when I go to work because I be having them done and they just look like naturally good already. So I'm gonna try the eyelash glue. Okay, y'all, my camera died as soon as I put the glue on my eyelashes, but I like how they look. Now I'm gonna do blush. Of course, I'm using a J. LaRue Cosmetics powder blush in pink brown. And it's exactly what the color say. Pink brown. I'm gonna use the same bronzer to contour my nose. Now I'm gonna take my One Size Beauty foundation powder and my dry BB to kind of like melt the highlighted parts of my face. Everything besides my under eye. Now it's time for lashes. I do a more natural lash for work, but for this video I'm going big because I haven't worn a big lash in like 7 days. So I'm going big with a big lash. Big old lash. I'm gonna pop these on and I'll be right back. Okay, the lashes are big and bold, like me, like my personality. And I did a little bottom lash. I usually don't have time to do bottom lashes in the morning, so. Now it's time for lips. I'm aligning with J. LaRue Cosmetics in the shade Walnut. Alright, lips aligning. I'm going in with my favorite everyday combo with that brown liner. And this is the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. My girl Leah J. She hooked young to Fortune Cookie. And I never look back. It's so pretty. Now I'm gonna fix my hair, put some earrings on, and I'll be back with the finished look. Alright, you guys, here it is, the finished look. What do you guys think? I love this look because it's perfect for every day. The lashes are not perfect for every day, but it's like 8 o'clock on a Saturday. I'm not wearing no demure lashes. I'm not going to work, so yes. I put my big lashes, but yes, I put my big lashes on. So, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate you. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My sister said my hair is giving my mom. My mom's hair was super long back in the day, and she would wear her hair like this. She said it's giving Latasha. My mom's name is Latasha, but when we was little, the answering machine, I don't know what it was, but at my grandmother's house, that's what it was. At my grandmother's house, it'll be like Latasha. You know, like what they call ID. So me and my sister, we just say it's giving Latasha. Yeah, we goofy like that. But yes, it's giving very much 90s. This is my real hair, by the way. Yes, when I did it, I said, this looks like a wig. And my edges, they growing, y'all. They growing. I'm so happy. I'll make a separate video on what I'm using to grow my edges. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.